Okay, let's get personal. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. That is going to be a review as well, and I think I'm going to do that in this video, so it might be a long one. I have a couple of health issues that affects my way of breathing. Nothing too serious, knock on wood, but where should I start? All right, first of all, my nose has been busted a couple of times, and it is almost as fake as Michael Jackson's nose. One of the times that I broke it, it was in 3 pieces in my cheek. So at best, with nasal spray, my breathing was, I don't know now, but it was at best 37%. Then I have my allergies as well. My allergies is really irritating. It bugs me a lot. And the allergies affects my way of breathing, and my nose gets even harder to breathe through. So as you can understand, I am addicted to nasal spray all year round. And then when I did medical exam, yeah, I think it's called that, a couple of years ago, to sort of do something about my allergies, because I've been taking shots like every year and medication all year round, and now I've been taking 2 medications all year round for like 3 years or something. But at that test, they told me that my nose is worse than before. I don't remember the percentage this time, but they also told me that I have asthma. And I don't know. I just thought it was because of the allergies that their test was wrong, but it is correct. I hear that sometimes when I'm exhausted, you know, the hissing sound when you breathe. And then because of the nose and because of my broken jaw and my mouthpiece, I sleep with an open mouth, which gets really dried out. And because of the allergies and yada yada yada, I snore, and I have a steam machine in the bedroom that sort of helps a little bit. So I try to do what I can about that, because I don't want to feel older than I actually am. And here we have something called Well02. It's a product that has been available in Scandinavia for 5 years, but it's pretty new in Sweden, I think. And I read a couple of reviews, and many people seem to love it, and some people think it's kind of nice to have. What this does, you guys that have, or people, guys and girls that have some sort of breathing problems, you have probably heard from your doctor that you should breathe in and out in a balloon, because the lungs need that exercise with that resistance in the balloon, and this will do just that, more or less. So what the Well02 does is that you breathe in and out steam that will exercise your lungs. And there is a mouthpiece and there is a nose piece, or full mouthpiece. So you can practice this via your mouth or via your nose and mouth, whatever. And the steam will help your sinuses, will help your, if you have goo in your throat, lungs, or whatever, it will help with that. And the reason why I did not want to buy this as first is because after an operation, I don't remember which one, I woke up with water in my lungs, and that was a horrible feeling, a truly horrible feeling. Feels like drowning, but you are not in the water. So all these things that people do, vaping and I don't know, the Arabic thing, smoking crap, why do people do that? But here I am with a steam breathing machine. So it only takes 2 minutes to heat up the water, and then you have breathing in and out with your mouth, with resistance both when you breathe in and when you breathe out, and that exercises your lungs, and the steam will remove the goo, and if you have pollen or whatever, it will clear that out. And the nasal thing will help you open up your nose, and that's my main thing that I really hope will work, because I've tried a bunch of nasal sprays and I tried to get rid of them with the steam machine in my bedroom, whatever. So I hope this will help. People that sing says that this will make their singing capacity better, and also says something about it here. It will strengthen and take care of your voice. It will soften up the chords. Vocal cords, moisturizing your vocal cords, supports opening and sustaining the voice. It will improve your performance and straightening repulsive muscle power and endurance. So even if you are an athlete that are top health, this might maybe help you be even better when it comes to endurance. Cleanses lungs effectively by removing mucus and air particles. So that's what I call goo and pollen. Alleviates airway irritation, helps immediately by opening airways. So let's try it. It comes with 3 mouthpieces, which is perfect because I want my brother and my mom to try this out as well. My brother has asthma his whole life, and my mother is a smoker, and yeah. And since I'm a germaphobe, I don't want to share my mouthpiece with others. So 3 of them is just perfect. The instructions could be a lot better. A lot better. The charging cable is silly short. I don't know where to use this. And it feels kind of cheap, but it's not cheap. I think I paid 265 euros for it. So it's not cheap, but it feels really plastic and cheap. And this is just like a water heater, water cooker. But this cable, come on, where should I put this? The translation is also really bad, so I'm not going to tell you how to use it because I'm unsure. But you have 3 different type of temperatures, and they say start with the lowest, and then this does something, and this adjusts the resistance. So let's try. There is nothing at all. I can't get it to work. This is supposed to be 0 resistance, and this is total resistance. And if I put on maximum resistance, nothing at all. There are small rubber seals that are very hard to remove, and I think you have to remove them. Use a tweezer or something for that. So let's try it again. Okay, now it works. It actually feels better right away. Not perfectly, as you can hear. I'm still having troubles breathing, but it does some effect. It does. And if you're not using the mouth or the nose piece, you just do like this. But once again, don't go after me about the instruction, because it says something about breathing 30 seconds, yada, yada, yada. Now I'm just trying it. And let's try the resistance. And I'm guessing you're supposed to breathe into it as well. Back to no resistance, because setting 3 were actually kind of hard. It does do some effect, it does. And this is the lowest temperature, and I'm guessing the higher temperature you use, it will get stronger. But I'm not glad with breathing in hot air or steam. It was also kind of calming to do these breathing exercises. So I will try to do this before going to sleep now for a couple of days. And I will edit that in the last part of the video, like from now on. The water level I haven't moved at all. Not at all. So I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. A month has passed and I'm not impressed at all. My mother tried it. She felt the same. I guess it helped for some people, but for me and my allergies and my sinuses, it didn't do anything at all actually. So I am sending it back. If you buy it, I hope it works better for you. Let me know if it does. But it's not for me. And I'm sending it back because it was a lot of money. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. But I don't know. I don't have anything more to say actually.